Good morning! We're going to Tiaong, Quezon today. I'm with my college friends again. Hashtag Squad Goals. We'll be visiting our friend Ara and her mom in their home in Tiaong. It's my first time going this far south, kaya I'm so excited! Hi, Kayla!
Parang siya natin sa'yo yung dessert. Kahit naman ayaw mo si Lord ko para sa para sa social media.
Hello! So, nag-stop over kami ngayon sa McDonald's Tanawan. Ayan. So, nag-take out kami ng food.
Gutom na.
Gutom na. And it's, anong oras na ba ngayon? And it's 9 a.m. 9 a.m. Ayan, yun yung van na ni-rent namin. Ano pangalan nun sila? Kuya
JP.
JP. Ayan, we're going to Ara's place. Medyo mainit-init na yung lugar.
Ingat friend, dito muna ako.
Kaya nga, doon ka muna sa tent, oh.
Yan, kain na kayo. Thank you, tita.
Prepared by Mame.
Pa-welcome pag-in ng ano.
As we grow up, our friends may take different paths from us. Shara is in the bank industry for 10 years. Businesswoman na si Cristel. Angela is pursuing a professional practice in Hawaii. Nasa audit field naman si Edlin. Into academe si Ara. And I'm in a corporate setup. Some of our friends have their own path after college. We get to have different goals in life. We may have different priorities na. But what matters is that deep in our hearts, we know they are real to us. Who will be there when we need a shoulder and ears. We may always be apart in distance, but never in heart. And this friendship grows as time goes by. Friends are the people you could laugh and talk to, you could cry on, people who touch your hearts. They are the ones you can share your secret with, cry with, laugh with, and have fun with. Sabi nga nila, super close na kayo kapag na-open mo na yung fridge nila sa bahay nang hindi humihingi ng permission. Well, lagi akong mga nasa bahay ng mga yan. And I'm glad I have them in my close circle. After lunch, they roam around Quezon province. I stayed in Tiaong kasi we have a mandatory training in Pro-Life UK. And Mame Martina prepared a kamote Q for our snacks. Plus, the melon juice. Yummy! Meanwhile, nakarating sila sa kamay ni Jesus in Lucban, Quezon. They all reached the peak. Balita ko, may hiningal on the way up. After their day trip, meron silang dalang lukban longganisa and other food for our dinner. Hindi na namin nakunang ng picture or video kasi ang bilis maubos. Nagutom yata sila sa kanilang day tripping.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, Auntie nagre-reset. Naman, Auntie. Your turn. Okay.
After dinner, Edlin and I decided to play with Kayla. Ang galing talagang mag-count ni Auntie Edlin. Kayla is so bright and energetic. She knows how to count to 20. She knows colors, alphabets, and many more. Sulit na sulit yung 2 days na labor pains ni Angela sa'yo when giving birth. I am watching them play kasi naubos na talaga yung energy ko at this time. Wala pa akong tulog from my night shift, diretso sa meet-up point, and then afternoon training. Ay, joke lang pala. May energy pa pala ako sa Sunmig Apple.
Game.
Okay na ba yung
Okay.
wala, tas wait mo siya matapos. Game.
Okay.
Ready
1,
na?
2, 3.
Post na kayo, Meg.
Picture din to?
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Good morning! Dito kami sa ngayon sa bahay nila Ara. Ito ang kanilang parking space and garden. Nung nag-pandemic, yan yung pinagkakabalahan ng mami ni Ara. Ayan. So, dito yung entrance. Ito yung sasakyan nila Ara, Avanza. Ayan. And then, dito yung entrance. Pero, dito tayo sa back door dumaan. Dahil dito ang kusina. Ayan! Good morning! Anong egg yan? Usapang egg ba yan? Ito si Tate, si Shara. Ayan. So, meron sila ditong table. Ang dami nilang table. Doon tayo sa table number 4 kakain sa labas. Kusina yan. Si Ara ang sipag yan. Ba't nagkatago ka dyan, Tin?
Tagusan to.
Ayan, si Mame. Si Angela. Hi, Mame! Welcome to my vlog! Then, shower area. And then yung CR and kusina ulit. And then, table. Dito kami nag-lunch yesterday. Tapos, yan, medyo magulo yung gamit ko. Dito yung room ko. Hi, sexy. Si Cristel. Si Edlin dito natulog. Tapos doon ako sa baba. Ayan. Tapos, nandito si Kayla. Si nanay, si Angela. Hi, Shara. Welcome to my vlog. Good morning. House tour tayo sa bahay nila Ara. Dito yung room ni Mame. Mamaya papasukin natin yan. Dito yung room nila Shara and Dean. Yan. Dito yung room ni Ara. So, dito natulog si Shara and Dean. And then, oh, buksan mo yung ilaw. House tour. Yun lang, nasa ng switch, friend. Hindi ko alam yung switch. Yan, dito yung sala nila Ara. Yung, dito. Uy, ba't naglalaro ka na? Naglalaro mo yung switch. Ayan, so dito yung sala. Presko dito malamig sa area na to. Ayan, dito kami naglaro kagabi ng card games. And then dun sa table na yon, dun kami kwentuhan, inom konti, ganun. Ayan. Maaliwalas yung lugar. Sarap. Province life. Ayan na yung labas kanina. And then, ay, nakalock pa siya, friend. Hindi Hindi pa pwede lumabas. Pwede tayo sa back door dadaan. And then, itong sofa. Dito natulog si Ara kagabi. Ito pa yung kanyang phone. Ayan, ito, gamit ko. Ito kanila yung TV. Dito madalas silang manood. And si Ate Irene, kuya ni Ara. Si Ara, and then yung bunso, si Biko. After our breakfast, we go to Sariaya, Quezon. Maghanap kami ng beach resort to stay and mag-swimming. Tatakpak mo na yung CS.